how you bosses doing? Ryoko here, and I'm about to play some more Deadpool. I say, kinda sucks, cause I fell. Shouldn't have fallen, but I fell because I'm an idiot. And I'm trying to get back up. Alright, here goes. Here's the reel starting. I don't know where to go again. Seems I go through here. Okay, I see money there. It's getting darker. And here's the saving thingy. What the fuck are you?
Look! It's Billy!
Who's Billy? Where are we? Supposed to go? No.
You're gonna want to have a doctor take a look at that.
It still looks pretty, but it's freaking dark. I hope you guys don't mind that. The last time I lightened it up, it didn't really look that light up.
There's a ton of bad guys in that room ahead of us.
Ooh. I love shooters. Breach it.
Hell of a thing, killing a man. Take away all he's got and all he's ever gonna have.
We're totally breaching this door and killing everyone inside, aren't we? Yep. Time for some shameless cross-promotion. Player, cue that smoke!
Fuck! Well,
Don't do that again.
trying not to, Deadpool. Or Nolan North. Nolan!
Hell of a thing, killing a man. And take away all he's got and all he's ever gonna have.
We're totally breaching this door and killing everyone inside, aren't we? Yep. Time for some shameless cross-promotion. Player, cue that smoke! Shoot, my favorite moment. Can you send it back? Or just don't lose it. Coming over.
I want tacos. Give me tacos. Who the fuck are you? I'm in a corner right now. Fuck you! Where are you? It sucks because I'm like screwed either way.
You know, good solid headshot is all it takes.
Yeah, but I couldn't do it because I'm like horrible. Was there any point for me to going here? Nope, there was no point of me going here. Fuck. I had to go here. Why is it all burny? Oh, fuck. I don't know how it's done because I apparently fell. Where is X-Men? Oh, I can't do that. The fuck? Press A.
Launch sequence initiated.
Press X.
Aerodynamic stabilizer activated.
Press Y.
Carpool lane buddy seated and comfy.
Press B.
Advanced propulsion systems.
Online.
This doesn't look good.
Of course, we need fuel. Once this baby hits 69.9 miles per hour.
What the fuck did I just witness? What the fuck did I just watch?
Oh my God, what's that over there?
I'm just gonna stare at his butt. Does Deadpool say anything?
What were you doing over there? Just a little surprise for our player.
Thought you were just gonna give me a freaking middle finger. A few moments later.
I didn't sign up for this.
Here's the thing about crazy people, they're mostly geniuses. No, that feels so weird!
What a bunch of chumps. You see the look on the ex-chumps' faces?
Maybe we should wait for them?
What? No way. We're taking Sinister down ourselves. This is our game. Holy crap, that's a long way down. We should call in the stuntman for this.
Screw that. We do our own stuff.
How many bullets are in your head, Soap?
I fell. Oh shit! Ah! I can't press button! Fuck you. like this video, leave a like. If you dislike this video, leave a dislike. Comments, please. Subscribe today and become a boss. And join the Boss Nation. Have a great day, night, evening, afternoon, whatever the fuck you're into. And I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bosses? Later. Bye.